This is Mech 330 programming for Industry 4.0. This is more of the hardware side. As we can see, we have our Circuit Playground Express. We're taking temperature values in Celsius and Fahrenheit. We're sitting at about 81 degrees Fahrenheit. And if I touch the thermistor here, we can see that we're getting hotter and hotter. And that's based off these values here. We let go and it gets colder. We touch and it gets warmer. Gotta let it heat up a little bit. There you go. And then we let it cool down. And as we can see, these values are reflecting. For the code for this project this week, I first make a function called clownfish. I just chose a funny name for that. But this function determines the amount of LEDs active by the temperature. So then I'm going to make a variable called Neopixel underscore pin. And I'm going to assign it board.neopixel. And this is the key active word or keyword for the Neopixel pin on the board. And then I'm going to do num underscore pixel is assign the amount of Neopixels, which are 10. And then I'm going to do pixels, and I'm going to create an object from the module Neopixel in Neopixel. So this is creating the object. This is the module. And I'm going to pass through Neopixel underscore pin and num pin to this variable. I'm going to do something very similar with the thermistor, but I'm going to be coming from the Adafruit module, and I'm going to be passing temperature in the form of resistive values. Then I'm going to make a while true loop, and I'm going to make a variable temp underscore C, and this is assigned the thermistor temperature that was determined. And it's just comes out as Celsius. So if we want it to be Fahrenheit, we have to multiply it by 9 over 5 plus 32 to create Fahrenheit. Then we're going to make a print statement with a string inside that's printing temp C and temp F. And this is determining the Fahrenheit and the Celsius. From there, I'm making if statements that determine between, if it's less than 83.5 degrees Fahrenheit, then no lights are going to be on. If it's above 83.5 degrees, then we're going to see some lights turn on too, but only as long as it's below 84.4 degrees. If it's above 84.5 degrees, but below 85.4 degrees, we're going to have 5 of the lights turn on. And then if we're above 85.5 degrees, then all of the lights will be on. And then there's a sleep just to determine on the serial. Just gives it a little bit of a delay, so it's just not ultra spamming with different values. So now I'm going to show you it changing on the serial monitor. As you can see, the values are going up, and on my side, all of the lights are turned on because this value is above 85.5 degrees. It was at 87. Now it's at 88. So this code works great. Thank you for watching. Oh, I almost forgot. We also are actually doing this code. As you can see, I'm just going to save and upload. We're actually performing this code through another file here called code.py. We're importing time, the Adafruit library, board, Neopixel, and then from the lights up file, we're importing the clownfish function, and then we're calling the clownfish function. So this one's working as expected as well. So thank you for watching. Sorry about that.